She will be very happy on her birthday.
She will be very happy on her birthday.
The show will begin with a funny dance.
The show will begin with a funny dance.
They will break the chocolate bar and share it with their friends.
They will break the chocolate bar and share it with their friends.
Jane will bring balloons for the celebration.
Jane will bring balloons for the celebration.
Joe will build a sandcastle at the beach.
Joe will build a sandcastle at the beach.
Emma and Lisa will buy ice cream for everyone.
Emma and Lisa will buy ice cream for everyone.
I will catch the bouquet at the wedding.
I will catch the bouquet at the wedding.
Isabel will choose her favorite cupcake.
Isabel will choose her favorite cupcake.
Our grandchildren will come to visit us tomorrow.
Our grandchildren will come to visit us tomorrow.
We will do something fun after lunch.
We will do something fun after lunch.
Our guests will drink lemonade in the garden.
Our guests will drink lemonade in the garden.
Your brother will drive us to the zoo on Saturday.
Your brother will drive us to the zoo on Saturday.
We will eat popcorn during the movie.
We will eat popcorn during the movie.
The leaves will fall in the autumn.
The leaves will fall in the autumn.
You will feel excited before the trip.
You will feel excited before the trip.
She will probably find a shiny pebble on the beach.
She will probably find a shiny pebble on the beach.
The little kite will fly high in the sky.
The little kite will fly high in the sky.
He will forget all his worries at the park.
He will forget all his worries at the park.
The kids will get a big surprise today.
The kids will get a big surprise today.
She will give a flower to her teacher.
She will give a flower to her teacher.
We will go to the fun fair next weekend.
We will go to the fun fair next weekend.
You will have a wonderful time.
You will have a wonderful time.
The children will hear a story before bed.
The children will hear a story before bed.
They will know where the treasure is.
They will know where the treasure is.
Mary and her boyfriend will leave a grateful note at the hotel.
Mary and her boyfriend will leave a grateful note at the hotel.